Is your Otter.ai account still showing your old name for everyone to see? Change it to your current name in under 2 minutes with these exact clicks. I'll walk you through the 9 simple clicks from homepage to confirmed rename. No need to dig through menus. Just follow these precise steps. Start by navigating to the Otter.ai homepage. Now, look at the top left corner and click on Your Account. From there, click on Account Settings to open up the Settings page. Once you're in Account Settings, click on the General tab at the top bar. Then, locate the Edit button and click it to start making changes. Go ahead and click on your current name in the text field, then type your new name. After that, click the check icon next to the field to confirm your edit. Now click Finish to complete the process. Finally, refresh the page to see your updated account name. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.